We have a few. Recall these are short screwdriver. Another one here. CD. Got a CD. Let's put this back down. This is fine. Having the connectors. Please. Very good. Power on. Let me turn it around for the camera. The display is working. You saw that? Come on. It's not spinning. Why? Okay. Maybe I did something wrong. This connector looks very similar. So I doubt. What's wrong? Do we need any belt or something? Is this running? Motor is free. Yeah, it's working. It's searching for the disc. You see that? So here we are good. Look at the lenses. It's more like mechanical something. That's the position. Yeah, it's not going up. Okay, why not? This should go up. This should lift. Is this a problem? It feels more like a mechanical problem. Let me try it manually. Now it's back. Okay, there's the movement. You saw that? So, at the end of the things, this should go like that. All right. Oh. There we go. It was trying. Okay, let me check the mechanical. Power off. Yep. Yeah, something stuck here. You see? That's the way it should go. At the end of the things, we have that. Okay, like this. We should go like this, but what's wrong here? And not only that, it's also locking with this piece over there. You see that piece, that metallic piece? Locking this one here. Locking the mechanism. Very well oiled, in fact. I can really feel that. But it's something happening here at the end of the things. Okay, I put some grease and it's getting stuck. What's happening here? What is this about? Let me open it. It's unbelievable fresh. Look at the grease, the fat. It's untouched. So I got no explanation. Oh man, of course, probably. You see, we have a belt over there. Yeah, that can be the explanation. Let me take out and probably replace the belt with some clever one, fresher. Why they put this cover here? Huh? Oh, of course, look at this belt. It's so loose. You see that? The belt is really loose. Okay. Let me try to find a replacement. Okay, now we are talking. Do I have a fatter one? No, I don't. But this should do the job. Well, the belt is still flexible, but it's gone anyway. It became large by the years of just sitting, doing nothing. Okay, probably a little alcohol and resin will do a better job, but for now I'm pretty sure that we are good. Like that. This too will stop the sludge at the end of the root. Okay, done. Screws back in the case, in the cage. Alright, everything gets back in place. Power on. I meant main power. Good. Disc in the house. Same story. Oh. Why it's stopping there? Oh, it's working. It's doing the movement, you see? Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Spin the disc. Come on, spin the disc. Okay, if you don't like the disc, probably. Let me find another one. Okay. What about this? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come on, come on, come on. Play. And it's playing. Yeah. Probably, being an old system or something doesn't recognize, the new CDs burned on the computer, but why not programming something blank? Okay, why not going to the next and back? How many tracks? Just one track, huh? Okay, so that's the why it's not jumping to the next one. So, well, the display is kind of dim, but something. Let me try to find another disc and to check. Do I have more tracks here? Let me see. Yeah, we have a lot of tracks. I'm curious to see if it's jumping or at least, oh man, what is saying? 0 tracks. What? Can't believe it. Play and back. No, yeah. Jump into 2. No. Something. Let me clean the lens a bit. So, let's play. Track number 1. Jumping to next. Yeah, it's working. So it's looking like kind of, let's call it tired. I don't know, we'll see. No, it's okay, stable. Number 4, 5, 6. Yeah, it's reading. Okay, so it's spinning, it's moving. It looks like a duck. You know that story. We have 14 tracks here. Let's play something. And I have this cable going to my sound card. I'm not sure. Oh yeah. And I have an adapter because my card is using a 6.3 jack. And this is one of the inputs. We can simply get these things together. Can I have it better? Of course I can. Get it into my... It's still fighting to read the track. So I have a trimmer here related to... Okay. A little bit to the left. Let's check now. Oops. Same story. Not reading. Play. Okay. Bit to the right. I have a strange sound from the power. From the transformer, in fact. Alright. Come on. Reading number 1. Okay. Shut up. Yeah, that needs a little bit of oil. There you go. Any signal? No. Playing. Sounds good. Perfect! Number 3. 4. Absolutely okay. 8. That's it. And now the burnt CD test. Oh, shut up. And it's quiet. Of course, we have this getting in there and having all this. Yeah. What is this guy saying? Play, open, back. Almost there. Shall I try to tick this? We got something. Nice. Now it's struggling with that. It seems the tracks can't read them. You make me crazy. Oh! Playing! Yeah. Got it. Oh, my adapter really sucks. So let's put these things together and have a improvisation here. That's the sound. Perfect. So finally it's reading. Let's see, track number 5. Oh man, I don't have a good... Perfect! It's working! Let me have another one. Do I have some more? Oh yeah. Then I crawl. I mean very low volume, because this is a copyright. There it goes. Perfect. Reading. Track number 2. Perfect. Let's see, track number 9. I had I think this one was 1 kilohertz. There it is. Testing signal. I'm much more than happy. It's reading even rewritables or you know, burned CDs. Yeah. Okay, so yes, another saved piece of equipment, you know, supposedly to go to the junk. You see, I rather prefer to give it like a gift to friends. A CD player, it's welcome always in a house. I don't know who's still listening CDs. I'm still listening CDs. And yeah, it's fun in the same time. It's nice to save things. Well, until the next one, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Push the like button. I'm waiting your comments, of course. And thanks to my sponsors. Until the next one, have fun. Don't forget that.